Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Many self-employed individuals wonder about the best ways to save for retirement. Did you know you can have your very own 401k? It's called a solo 401k, designed specifically for business owners with no full-time employees. This powerful tool offers the same great tax benefits as a traditional 401k, helping you build a secure financial future while also reducing your taxable income now. So, who exactly qualifies for a solo 401k? You must be a business owner with no full-time, common-law employees other than yourself or your spouse. This plan offers significant tax advantages, like tax-deductible contributions, which reduce your current income. Plus, your investments grow tax-deferred, so you won't owe taxes on gains until you withdraw funds in retirement, allowing your money to compound more effectively. Ready to get started? First, if you don't already have one, you'll need an employer identification number, or EIN, for your business. Next, you'll adopt a solo 401k plan document, which outlines the rules and provisions for your specific plan. Finally, you'll open a brokerage account under your new plan, often with an investment firm, choosing how your funds will be invested to grow over time. One of the biggest perks of a solo 401k is its generous contribution limits. You can contribute in two ways: as an employee, deferring a portion of your income, and as an employer, making a profit-sharing contribution. This allows for much higher overall contributions than a traditional or Roth IRA. Plus, if you're 50 or older, you can make additional catch-up contributions, boosting your retirement savings even more each year. Selecting the right solo 401k provider is an important decision for your financial future. Look for firms that offer low fees, a wide range of investment options, and strong customer support that you can rely on. It's always a good idea to compare different platforms and their specific features to find the best fit. If you're unsure, consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized guidance, helping you make a confident choice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.